gonna have to cut the bangs on this wig. That's what bobby pins are for. And there we go, I can see now. I love this wig though, it's so cute.
Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is BlancaEstela. And I wish I had pink hair, so I bought a wig. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about my top 5 favorite highlighters. I do talk about a highlighter palette. 4 of them are affordable products, and then I only have one high-end highlighter. That's my favorite one. I have other high-end highlighter palettes, but this is my favorite one. So I'm going to start off with the high-end one just because there's only one of the high-end one. And the first one, and this is not in order like from 1 to 5. It's just like my top 5 ones that I use the most. So the first one is from Tarte. And this one is their Goddess Glow highlighter. And I did get this on sale, so I didn't pay full price for it. I think I paid $18 and it's normally $28 or close to $30, I don't remember. But this is a really pretty highlighter. It does have a lot of fallout, but I still like it. When I first tried it out, I didn't get like any really pigment out of it. But that's because I tried it with the brush dry. I wet it with some Fix Plus and then I grabbed the highlighter. And it is so freaking pretty when you wet it. So if you buy this highlighter and you think that it's not blinding enough or it's really subtle, just with the brush and girl, you're going to be popping, okay?
Popping, popping, popping. And I mean popping.
Now I'm going to talk about the other 4, and these are all affordable ones. The first one is from Maybelline. You guys probably already know this one. Like, it's the one I use in almost every tutorial. This is the Master Chrome by Maybelline, the metallic one. And I have the shade Molten Gold. They did come up with the new shade, which is a pinker one, but I haven't tried that one. But this is my favorite one. Like, it's probably my favorite one out of all the highlighters I own. And it is because it is so pretty and it goes with every makeup look that I do. And it just complements my skin tone so well. Like, it's just a pretty highlighter. I wear it literally every day for work as well.
I'm just like glowing and popping because that's who I am. I like to pop with the highlighter. Okay.
The next one is from Milani. This is one of their strobe light highlighters, and I have the one in O2 Day Glow. Right here. This one used to be my holy grail before I tried the Maybelline one. So I go back and forth between the two, but I mostly use the Maybelline one. But once in a while, I do go back to this one. And this one, it's more blinding if you wet the brush as well. It is really pretty without wetting the brush, but if you wet it, it's like popping as well, girl. All these highlighters are popping. I'm just gonna put that out there. They're all popping. That's why I love them. This one also goes with every makeup look I do. But when I want to do a more natural makeup look, then that's when I turn to this one. Because it is really pretty. And then the 4th one is from Wet n Wild. And this is one of the Mega Glow highlighter powders. And I have the one in the shade Precious Petals, which I barely use it. But I do use it most than any other highlighter that I use. It is just really pretty. And this one is blinding without wetting the brush. When I'm going to do a makeup look where I'm not going to wear that much face makeup, that's when I apply this one. Because this just makes a big difference. And it makes me look glowy and poppin'. And, you know, poppin'. And then the last product is a palette. And it's the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighting Palette. And this one is all beat up, girl. Like, right here. This one also has a shitload of fallout, but I don't mind it because they're really pretty. I normally like to mix these 3 shades, this one, and this one. And that's usually like my combination when I use this palette. I use those three together. And girl, the highlight is like
blinding as fuck. Okay, like girl, you're gonna be popping from here to the moon, from here to outer space, from here to the other side of the world. That's how popping you look with this highlighter palette.
it's just so affordable and oh, it's just so pretty. And then I like using the other three for my inner corners and my brow bone. I like using the pinker ones when I do like a more natural look. I like popping these two in my inner corners and my brow bone. And yeah, I mean, I have a lot more highlighters, but those 5 take the cake. We want some cake now. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed learning more about my favorite highlighters. I do have several of my favorite products videos, but I will be uploading more. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like the wig. I like the wig. I don't know if you guys like it, but I like wearing wigs because then I don't have to do my hair. If I could, I would only wear wigs. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.